Hi, I'm Paulie, and you don't always have to spend a fortune to play the latest video games. A refurbished computer costs significantly less, plus you can feel good knowing you've done your part keeping rubbish out of landfill. In today's project, I refurbish a computer from old parts I've got lying around for a friend, and we do the build for nothing. In part 1, I replaced the CPU cooler on my test bench with another CPU cooler so that I could get a cool blue LED fan. In part 2, I now get ready by putting the CPU cooler from my test bench onto the refurbished PC. But prior to putting the motherboard in, I need to put on the new CPU cooler. Once I've removed the CPU cooler, I use an alcoholic white pad to remove any excess thermal paste. I then reapply new thermal paste before putting on the new heatsink. Once screwing everything up and double checking it's tight, it's ready to go in. In part 3, I begin the assembly of our budget gaming PC for free.